Build and program your own robot without the use of a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Hi, I'm Laurie from TTPM. With the KIBO 21 Robot Kit from KinderLab Robotics, kids get the pieces they need to build and decorate their very own robot, and then scan barcodes on a variety of wooden programming blocks to make the robot move forward, sing, light up, and more. You can even record some of your own sound effects and make the robot play them back.
Woo, woo!
Once you choose the motors, wheels, and sensors that you want to use on your robot, put some of the programming blocks together so you can create a sequence for your robot to perform. The battery-powered robot has a red LED light that scans the barcodes on the blocks one by one, and when it's done scanning, you press the triangle button to make the robot perform the entire sequence. 4 AA batteries are required but not included. There are also pieces for decorating the robot, including a stage, a flagpole, and a whiteboard with marker. There are many ways for kids to get creative with this set, and young kids will like exploring all the things they can make their KIBO robot do. This set is well suited to kids ages 4 to 7 because it's all about hands-on exploration without the use of screen time, offering an age-appropriate way to introduce some STEM concepts. However, all of this does come at a high price point, so parents will have to decide if the potential repeat play value is worth the cost for their individual children. Smaller KIBO sets are also available and sold separately. For where to buy and current prices, visit TTPM and subscribe to our YouTube channels for more reviews every day.